And welcome to another episode of Mike Plays Digimon. Today I have a Digimon Classic Collection gift box from Walmart to open for you guys. So this is what we're going to be opening today. If I can figure out how to open it. Apparently it's taped. Okay, here we go. So this is what you get. It looks like you get a Wargreymon. So you get a Wargreymon card. And then you get 4 packs, 4 booster packs. And then this thing that looks like a Tamagotchi. Let me fix the video real quick. And then this thing that looks like a Tamagotchi, which I'm guessing is your DigiDestin device. And then last but not least, there is a, there's two counters or some shit. I don't even know what these are for in the game, but it comes with 2 of them. And they're pretty nice quality, so we'll set those aside for now. And let's get into opening the packs. This is going to be a real short video since it only came with 4 packs, but actually first off, let me open TCG Player up and let me see what the chase cards are from this set. So we're looking for the Digimon Classic Collection, which has 107 cards in it. It's one of the biggest sets in Digimon right now. And we're looking for Machine Dramon, Analog Youth, Diaboromon, Imperial Dramon. Oh wow. So these gift boxes are selling for $54.41 on tcgplayer.com, and you can get them for $25 at Walmart. So I might pick a few more of these up and start selling them on TCG Player. But anyway, those are the cards we're looking for. Machine Dramon, alternate art. Analog Youth, alternate art. Diaboromon, alternate art. Imperial Dramon, alternate art. Metal Greymon, alt art. Gabumon, alt art. Pale Dramon, Hercules, Kabuteramon. If I can get these packs open, I might have to use scissors because they are kind of hard to open. Oh yeah, my friend taught me how to open these. Never mind. There's this little pull tab on the side. Wow, I am not having any luck with this pack, you guys, so I'm just going to cut it. And I do see a rare card in the back of this pack, so we're going to go card by card. We got Andromon, Togemon, Ikakumon, Devimon, Metal Tyrannomon, War Garurumon, Baiamon, Gabumon. Is that the alt art? No, that's not the alternate art. And then we have Lady Devimon, Rosemon, Seraphimon, and Vmon. So we got Seraphimon and Vmon for our rare cards. I wonder if either of those is worth a whole lot. Nope, I don't think either of them is really worth anything, so let's go on to the next pack. Again, I am going to cut it because I can't seem to open these packs. Okay, So we got Stingmon, Gomamon, Metal Mamamon, Wizardmon, Caramon, Garudamon, Kurisarimon, Metal Edamon, Garurumon, Agumon, Pale Draymon, and Metal Greymon. So I think that Metal Greymon card might actually be worth something. No, it's War Greymon that's worth something. That Vmon card I pulled is worth like 436. Okay, so some of these are actually worth a few bucks. That's good to know that these are actually potentially worth something. But I mean, I'm excited to go back to Walmart and just buy every one of these that they have left and list them on TCG Player. Gomamon, Salamon, Gardramon, XVmon, Devimon, Megadramon, Elecmon, Dino Beamon, Piedmon, Kabuteramon, Ice Wall, and Emergency Program Shutdown. So I think that Ice Wall might be worth something. So Ice Wall is worth 12 bucks. Ice Wall is worth 12 bucks and Emergency Program Shutdown is worth 2 bucks. So I mean there's two cards that nearly paid for this box. Not counting the other cards I got that are like 2 to 5 bucks. Okay. So here's our last pack. We got Angimon, Hagurumon, XVmon, Salamon, Tentamon, Gardramon, Tapirmon, Birdramon, Etamon, Lilymon, Ogremon, and Infirmon. So Ogremon and Infirmon. Ogremon is worth $1. XVmon is worth $2. So you know what, guys? I think I made at least my money back on this box. I think I might even consider pre-ordering a booster box of Classic Collections. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Should I go back to Walmart and pick up all the boxes they had of these for 25 bucks a piece and then flip them on TCG Player for 60 bucks a piece? Let's see how much that alternate art War Greymon is selling for. Metal Greymon, Machine Dramon, Angie Woman is selling for $9. Did I pull one of those? I thought I did. Angimon. No, Angie Woman is selling for $9. I have Angimon. Okay. And then we did get that Metal Greymon and that Pale Dramon. Seraphimon and Vmon. Okay. So far, I don't see a price for the Alt Art War Greymon. It must not be worth anything if it's not even in the 50-cent page. You know what, guys? It's because they don't even have it up for sale on here. So maybe I should list the War Greymon alternate art card for sale on TCG Player, because there isn't really a lot of people. There's not a lot of people selling Digimon on TCG Player. So let me know in the comments below, should I go to Walmart and buy all these boxes for 25 bucks a piece and then flip them on TCG Player for 60 bucks a piece? I'll almost be doubling my money. So let me know in the comments below what you think, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you and have a good day.